Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am sharing my dal soup with veggie crunch. Simple, satisfying and so easy to make. Serve it with toast or rice and you have a warm, nourishing meal that's perfect for any day. This recipe will serve too, so let's get started. Heat is on medium high. First I am going to cook the dal. Here 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil should be moderately hot before we add the cumin seed. So I am using half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Oil is ready. 1/8 teaspoon of asafetida, hing, and about 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Stir them. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook for few minutes until tomatoes are soft. Tomatoes are ready. They are soft and tender, and now I have to add dal. So I am using half a cup of red lentil, washed lentil dal, half a cup of washed moong dal. I have already washed and soaked this for about half an hour. So I am going to add this into tomatoes. Stir and add 3 cups of water. After this comes to boil, I will cover it and let it cook on low medium for about 15 minutes. Dal will be very soft and mushy. The dal has come to boil, so I am going to cover this and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and I am going to put this on another stove. So in meantime we can prepare the vegetables. While dal is getting ready, I will prepare the veggies. So heat is on low medium. I have here 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is moderately hot, I will add half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed. 2 whole red chilies. Stir. I have 1 tablespoon of finely sliced ginger, half a cup of bell pepper. I have cut them in small pieces. Half a cup of zucchini. I have cut them in small pieces. And half a cup of shredded carrot. Just cook for about a minute. Vegetables should be little tender, but it still should have its crispness. So don't overcook. So vegetables are ready, and now we will go back and see our dal again. Okay, it has been about 15 minutes. So let's see. Dal is ready. It's very soft and mushy. That's what we want because we are making a soup. I like to use these dals because they cook much faster. So if I am in rush, my soup is ready very quick. Now I will just blend it using hand blender. Okay, let's check it out. Dal is looking good. So I have added 1 more cup of water. So altogether I used 4 cups of water. Soup dal is ready, and now I'm going to add the vegetables I cooked. And like I said, I didn't want it to make them very soft. Lightly crunch, it tastes better. And I will add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Soup is ready and I am ready to serve. So I am ready to serve the soup. I always like to garnish it. It looks pretty. So I'm going to put some shredded carrots I saved. Pinch of garam masala. It gives the nice flavor and nice smell. And just few chopped cilantro. If you have prepared the soup earlier than you want to eat, then prepare the vegetable and soup and don't mix it till you are ready to serve it, to save the crunch. Soup is ready. Serve it warm. I enjoy this soup with toasted bread and then it makes a complete meal. Enjoy. See you again soon with a new recipe. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you, Manjula.